So we've actually managed to get back out into the workshop today, and today we have a little guest with us, Paul Cowland.
Hello,
nice
mate.
to meet you again. So Just Campers have known Paul, and personally I've known Paul for a lot of years. It all goes back to when we did Van Cake at Bug Jam 15 years ago, I think, maybe.
Yeah, ancient history
Maybe
with Andy
more than
Saunders.
that. Yeah, with Andy. I still see Andy all the time as well. So Paul's come down today and he's brought with us, or with him, this little gem of a 74 Beetle 1600 GT. Absolutely lovely car. So tell us about this car, Paul. Why have you got this? How did you get this?
Well, I was very, very lucky. So I think everyone watching knows. I think when you've been in the trade a long time, you know this. Cars kind of find you, don't they?
Yes. Yeah,
and people ring you when they know that you're a sad old devil that loves Beetles. So this was actually a very good friend from school.
Wow.
Rang me up and said, look, my next door neighbour's getting rid of a Beetle. It's in her garage. I think you should come and look at it. I think it's quite special. And he said, I think it's in decent condition.
Yeah.
So I went down, met this lovely lady called Gemma, and this used to belong to her dad called Terry.
Right.
And Terry was a senior engineer at Longbridge. He was a rover man.
Yeah, but drove a Volkswagen.
But yeah, his passion was Volkswagen. And then he used to write for Safer Motoring magazine.
Wow.
Under a pen name, because obviously if the bosses at
Rover
found out that he was
wouldn't,
advocating for Volkswagens, that was basically almost like treason, wasn't it?
Yeah, brilliant.
By Chairman as a British manufacturer. But anyway, I looked at the car and I thought it was a good car. You know what it's like. You don't get a massive amount of time to look at these things. You can only kind of cooch underneath and have a quick look. But the family was just a lovely family. I got a very good vibe about the car. There was all the magazines when it used to be a Safer Motoring project car.
Yep.
It used to be the Camai demo car.
Wow.
Which is what's got some of the cool Camai accessories on. I think it's got the Camai rear vents cover. It's got the Camai front lip. It's just a cool old thing.
Yeah.
And she offered me an incredibly fair price for the car, and I just thought I've got to have that.
Yeah.
And then because it's been in the garage for 10 years, it just wants looking over and going through.
Yeah, yeah. So hence why we're here today.
Hence why.
I've got to admit, as I said to you earlier, when you brought it in on the trailer, I took one look and just thought, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can tell that's a good car, and it is really, really nice car. So we've had it up on the ramp, we've had a look underneath. It's amazing, it's stunning.
Mind blowing.
Yeah, definitely. Next thing we're going to do is see if we can get it running. It hasn't run for at least 10 years.
At least 10 years, Gemma says. She tucked it away in the garage. They tried to put good fuel in it. I've put all fresh E5 in.
Yeah.
I think it's Tesco 99, gone for the massive octane. But yeah, I think, like you say, I think we've got a lot of old fuel lines. Yes. I would imagine what was in the tank was like jelly petrol, probably at the bottom. Yeah. So I was hoping that the new fuel can sometimes soften it up a bit, can't it?
Oh, yes, yeah, yeah.
So
we get like that, sort of resiny, I can't think of the word. Anyway, yeah.
Yeah, that.
Garbage in the bottom of the tank, yeah.
So the main things for today is that if we can get it going, that would be amazing, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I think we can. So
if we can drive it back on the trailer by itself, that would be a treat.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Shall we?
Let's get on with it.